Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the EVS class, all the children. Look at the board, all the children. Bottu Raven. Bottu Raven. Stop chatting. Stop sending images. Emojis, why are you sending? Bottu Raven. Stop sending. Okay? Look at the board, all the children. Sit properly. Vandana and Varshita. You move some back. G Vandana. Goku Vandana and Varshita. Move back. So all are look at the board. Okay. Welcome to the EVS class, children. Okay. First all are read with me environmental studies spelling. ENVI, RON, MENTAL, environmental studies, STUDIES, studies. Okay, environmental studies. Okay, once again read all the children. ENVI, RON, MENTAL, STUDIES, studies, environmental studies. So, yesterday I taught a lesson. Which lesson I taught yesterday? Abhinay. Abhinay, which lesson I taught yesterday? What is the lesson name? Third lesson. What is the third lesson? The plant world. What is the third lesson? The plant world. So the lesson name is the plant world. What is the lesson name? The plant world. So in this lesson, what I taught children yesterday? The shoot system. What I taught? The shoot system. Okay? The shoot system. In this, what is the meaning of the shoot system? Vignesh, hi. Don't send messages again. Vignesh, Vignesh. Already I said hi. Again, why are you sending hi? First listen the lesson. Okay. Okay, what is the lesson name, children? The plant world. The lesson name is the plant world. In this lesson, a plant has, once again I am repeating the lesson fastly. Okay, listen carefully, children. So in this lesson, a plant has many parts. What are the many parts? If one plant has, for example, here I am taking one plant, no? So one plant has many parts: roots, stem, branches, leaves, fruits, flowers. So these all are the parts. A plant consists of two basic parts. Actually, these all are the parts, but a plant consists of two parts. Basically, it consists of two parts. One is the root system and another one is the shoot system. Okay. So, above the ground, some other in a plant has a grow above the ground. So these are the above the ground. So that is called the shoot system. Did you understand, all the children? So that is called the shoot system. Next, under the ground. So some parts are grown under the ground. So that is called the root system. Already only one part may grow under the ground. So that is only very root system. That is only called a root system. Shoot system and root system. Okay. So root system. Now I am going to explain the root system now. So the root system basically broadly it is two types. One is a taproot system and another one is a fibrous root system. Again I am repeating this lesson, so listen carefully. Who are the missing class? Now I am telling the children purpose. Okay. So look at the board here, Abhinay. You are moving always. Don't see here and there. Look at the board. Sit properly. The root system is broadly divided into two systems. One is a taproot system and another one is a fibrous root system. What is the meaning of taproot system? It is vertically downwards into the soil. That is a taproot system. For example, carrot, radish, okay, beetroot. These all are the taproot system. And a fibrous root system. What is a fibrous root system? Fibrous root system is it is actually small roots, okay, and at early stage only these roots are nice. For example, grass, and it grows to sideways in all directions. It grows to side directions in all directions. That is a fibrous root system. And some special roots also are there. Food storage roots, water storing roots, aerial roots. This one also I completed. Now today I am going to explain the shoot system. Yesterday also I taught shoot system. Stem. It is a what above the ground. So this is a above the ground stem. Above the ground grows stem, and it is basic part of the stem. Okay, remaining all the parts giving the support this stem. For example, leaves, branches, and see this root system from the water to absorb the water. From the soil to absorb the water and minerals. Roots are absorb the water and minerals. Okay, from the soil. Did you understand what I am telling? Listen carefully. Vandana, Manikanta, why are you laughing? What do you want? First all are on your videos. Now I will take attendance. Ayla from Vananteja. All are on your videos. Naramla Vishnu. Naramla Vishnu is not listening the class. His sister is listening the class. Elder sister. Maheshwari not listening. Naramla Vishnu's sister listening. Naramla Vishnu, you listen the class, not your sister. Already your sister completed 10th class. Again, why she is listening classes? Naramla Vishnu and Naramla Maheshwari. Hamsini. Sit properly. Manikanta, sit properly. Okay. So the root system, roots are absorbing the water and minerals. So it is sending to the stem. So what is the function of the stem? Again, stem also storing the food. And for example, sugar cane. Do you know sugar cane? Sugar cane. Manikanta, do you know sugar cane? In our mother tongue, we are called as cheraku. Did you eat sugar cane? Manikanta, I am asking you. Move your head. Danika Shivateja. Shivateja, did you eat sugar cane? No. Why? Sugar cane means in our mother tongue we are called cherku. You not ate cherku. Okay, listen. So sugar cane. So stem, for example, see this is a sugar cane children. You know very well sugar cane. So some of the stems also storing the food. Some of the plants storing the food. Stem also storing the food. For example, sugar cane. Okay. So the stem also storing food and it sending to the water and minerals also absorbed from the roots too, and it is sending to the leaves. Okay, children. Now I am going to explain. Today I am going to teach leaves. So now in the shoot system, today I am going to explain the shoot system. Okay, the shoot system already completed stem. Previous class already I taught you STEM. Okay, Vandana, did you understand? Previous class I taught already STEM. Today I'm going to explain leaves. What I'm explaining today? Leaves. 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 Now I'm going to explain about leaves. Okay, children. Please, first of all, you are lot of disturbing me, and you also lot of disturbing me. So please, all the children look at the board and listen carefully. What I'm asking question, please tell the answer. All the children. Most of the children not listening. Just you are moving here and there. You first sit in permanent place, please. So Ailapuram Pavan. Ailapuram Pavan. What happened? First, all are on your videos. On your videos, all the children. So actually, leaves all are green in color. Mostly leaves all are green in color. Am I correct, children? Did you understand all the children what I'm telling you? All the plants are mostly, a leaf is often green in color. It takes energy from sunlight. So leaves are takes energy from sunlight and carbon dioxide, sunlight. Here I'm writing. Leaves take energy from water, sunlight, water, sunlight, okay, and next carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, carbon dioxide, okay, chlorophyll. Already chlorophyll having leaves only. Okay, chlorophyll have only leaves. Do you know very well? Leaves are green in color. So that green in color only called chlorophyll. Okay, did you understand, Manisha? Manisha, did you understand what I'm telling you? The shoot system. In the shoot system, now I'm going to explain. Now I'm going to explain leaves. Okay, leaves are green in color. It's often green in color, and it takes energy from sunlight. Already you know very well. You learned third class photosynthesis. Okay, it takes energy from sunlight, water. It takes water, and it takes carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide means, do you know very well? So we breathing. So what we are releasing outside. For example, all I keep here finger. All I keep your finger like this. So you breathe once and breathe out. So when you breathe out, so that is heat air coming, no heat air. So that is a carbon dioxide. We are release the carbon dioxide. So that carbon dioxide is absorbed the plants, leaves. Did you understand, children? So this total process is called photosynthesis actually. Okay. What is the meaning of photosynthesis? Here I am writing this. Photosynthesis means plants prepare the plants prepare their the plants prepare their own food with the help of water, air, sunlight. Okay. Plants prepare their own food with the help of water, air, sunlight. Okay. This the this process is called photosynthesis. This total process is called the photosynthesis. Okay, the plants prepare their own food with the help of water, air, sunlight. This process is called, this total process is called the photosynthesis. Okay, children, did you understand about this topic? So that is the leaves. This is called photosynthesis and chlorophyll. Green pigment, that is called chlorophyll. Present in it. Already leaves only present in it. These are the leaves. Already leaves are green in color. So chlorophyll is present in leaves. Chlorophyll already present in leaves. Did you understand, children? Plants are prepared their own food with the help of sunlight. Means sunlight. It takes energy from sunlight. Okay. And absorbing the water and minerals. Water and minerals. Okay. Prepare their own food and air. It takes the air. Okay. This process is called photosynthesis. Okay, children. Did you understand what I'm telling you? Did you understand all the children? Dandiga Shivateja. Okay, you write it fast. That is why leaves are called the food factories of the plants. That is why leaves are called the food factories of the plant. Leaves are called food leaves are called food factories of the plant. So that is why leaves are called food factories of the plant. Did you understand all the children? The shoot system. Okay. What I explained now, the shoot system. The shoot system is, today I explained, shoot system means what? Above the ground. So a plant grows above the ground is called, above the ground. A plant has above the ground. Okay. Grows the above the ground is called a shoot system. So just today I explained stem and leaves. You know very well. From the flowers to fruits are coming and fruits or flowers, you know very well that. So that is a very important part above the ground, stem and leaves. Okay, children, stem and leaves. Did you understand all the children? Did you understand all the children? If you have any doubts, please raise your hand. Okay. What I explained now, just the shoot system. The root system, the shoot system. Okay, children. So, on that leaves are the, in this leaves, so leaves are prepare their food. Okay. Leaves are to prepare their food with the help of air, water, carbon dioxide. Air means that is a carbon dioxide and it takes energy from sunlight. Okay. And the roots are absorb the minerals and water. So it's sending to the stem. So the stem is already the stem also food storing role. Okay. The stem also food storage stem. So that is why this total process is called photosynthesis. Did you understand all the children now? If you have any doubts in this lesson, please raise your hand. Now I am going to give glossary. So some of the leaves also we are eating, children. You know very well. What type of leaves we are eating? What leaves we are eating, children? Which type of leaves we are eating? Abhinay, which type of leaves you are eating? Isa Varun, did you eat leafy vegetables? Isa Varun Teja, did you eat leafy vegetables? Isa Varun Reddy, I am asking you. Did you eat leafy vegetables? Move your head. I can understand. Are you eat or not that? So we are eating leafy vegetables. So what type of leafy vegetables we are eating? Spinach, coriander, spinach, mint. Okay, mint, coriander, spinach. Okay, bay leaves also. Bay leaves also we are using that what spicy items we are using the bay leaf. Okay, and next cabbage also leaf only. Cabbage also leaf. So cabbage also we are eating. Cabbage also leafy vegetable, children. Cabbage, mint, coriander, spinach. Spinach means which vegetable? Spinach is a which vegetable? So that is in our mother tongue we are called what palakura. Am I correct? Yes. So that is a leafy vegetable. And next cabbage. Cabbage also leafy vegetable. Okay. And next what spinach, coriander. Coriander also we are using in the what flavor purpose, and mint also flavor we are eating. Okay. Some of the leaves also we eat leaves. We eat leaves also, and some of the animals also eat leaves. For example, giraffe. Am I correct, children? Giraffe eats leaf. Giraffe eat leaves. Goat eat leaves. Did you understand all the children? Goat eat leaves. Giraffe eat leaves. Deer eat leaves. Okay. So that is why in a plant has many parts, I said. Root, stem. Okay. So each and every part is very, very important in plant. So in our daily life, we are use many plants. Without plants, can you live? No, we cannot live. Why? Because plants are gives us oxygen. Am I correct, children? Plants are gives us oxygen. We take oxygen. So what we are remove? We are release the carbon dioxide. So that carbon dioxide takes the plants. So that is why always I am telling you planting a tree, planting a tree. Okay. Did you understand all the children lesson? So what is the lesson name, children? The plant world. What is the lesson name? The plant world. The lesson name is the plant world. In this lesson, you learned about the root system and the shoot system. Okay. Did you understand all the children? If you have any doubts in this lesson, please raise your hand. Please raise your hands, children. Okay, and still if you have any doubts, please raise your hand in this lesson. No doubts, I think. Can I ask questions now? Okay, children, now I'm asking questions. So that children, I'm now unmute that children. So say the question, answers. Okay. How many types of plants are there? How many types of plants? Actually, children, yeah. Abhinay. Minimal Abhinay. Minimal Abhinay. Unmute boy. Minimal Abhinay. Mute. Unmute child. Yes. Minimal Abhinay. A plant has consists of two basic parts. What are the parts? What are the basic parts? I told you two parts are there. Two systems are there. A plant has two systems are there. See here. So this is the root. A plant consists of two parts. I said no. What are the parts? What are the parts? Minimal Abhinay. You are not listening. You are watching TV, I think. Okay. So a plant has two systems. One is the root system and one is the shoot system. So tomorrow I will ask all the children in this lesson questions. So you be ready. All the children read the lesson. Again and again you read the lesson, children. Okay. I will ask you tomorrow all the children just I will ask questions only. Tomorrow total I am spending time with you. Only questions I am asking you. So all are be prepared. Okay, children. Okay, thank you all the children. ఎంతమంది ఫోర్త్ క్లాస్ క్లాస్ నుంచి చూడు ఒకసారి 16 అంటే 3 తీసేసేయాలి అప్పుడు 13 మెంబర్స్ ఉంటున్నారు క్లాస్ నాకు అసలు వాళ్ళ క్లాస్ చెప్పాలని కూడా లేదు అసలు